All right, take two. Welcome back to the Red Truck Woodshop. My name is Tim, and today I'm going to be making a basket that looks like a red truck. I made a prototype right here, and you can see basket, handle. Boy, that's stupid. Try again. Take 3 or 4. I lost count. I don't know. Dog was barking. And today I'm going to be making a basket that looks like a red truck. Thus, red truck wood shop. Yeah, okay. I made a basket, or prototype, sorry. I made a prototype. All right, let's see, the 8th time is a charm, I think? Yeah, we'll see. All right. Not sure I like that intro. I think we got the 10th time or 11th time is the charm, right? Right. Number 12? Whatever. No. Dang! When I was sending them through the bandsaw, yeah, that's it. Right before my very eyes. Baby, what a big surprise. Well, okay. The show must go on, as they say. My tripod thingy broke as I was putting the camera into it. So, you're going to get some interesting views from here on out. All right, well, got a little problem here with my lacquer. I don't know if you can see this here. See how that's sort of a milky white color there? I don't know what happened. Why is it doing that to me? See if I can fix this.